Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get URL of Instagram Threads account. Let's get started. Once you've logged into Threads, you're going to go to the bottom right corner and then click on the profile icon. And then you're going to see two options, edit profile and share profile. So you're going to click on share profile. And as you can see here, there are different applications where you can share the URL, such as Bluetooth, Chats, Chrome, Create Notes, Direct, Drive, Edge. But in this case, I'm going to use Instagram. So I'm going to send it to this person, for example, and I'm going to click on the blue button which says send, then press done. And as you can see here, it has copied the link and sent it to the person that I wanted to. So if you want to copy, you're just going to hold down and then click on copy. And then you can send it everywhere, even to Facebook, WhatsApp, and then people can follow you there. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.